High-Tech Marketing. I tell you what, it has truly changed my life in a big, big way. And when you ask me my background is a basic background, but right now I'm living a high-impact life built on a basic background. I'm a kid from the Bronx, New York, raised up. I tell the story, I had my mom, 7 kids on welfare. We had a pretty humble background. Because of our background, it was said once we were least likely to succeed because of our background. But I thank God for his blessings because that truly changed. 2 major pivotal points in my life. Number 1 was joining the military, truly changed my life in a big way, and then giving my life to the Lord Jesus Christ. Those are 2 pivotal points where I build my entire foundation on for the business, my life, my family, and everything. I never had any real background in network marketing. I was actually involved in the military. I served with the 101st Airborne Division, Air Assault, Fort Campbell, Kentucky. I was transferred to recruiting duty. And while on recruiting duty, that's when my life changed from the network marketing aspect. Met a young man in a place called Toledo, Ohio. I was recruiting a young man for the military. He ended up recruiting me for another network marketing company. In that process, my goal was to leave the military one day and to go into full-time ministry. Be able to travel the whole world and preach the gospel and not have to work for anyone. I can safely say now, because of Fortune High-Tech Marketing, I am 100,000% free. Why Fortune High-Tech Marketing? Because of the founder, Mr. Paul Orbison. Paul Orbison being the foundation of this company, and he builds the company for the sole purpose of helping the independent reps. And folks, that's what I like. I like helping people. So that's my life story in ministry, in military, in relationships. I like helping people. So Fortune is a perfect fit for myself and for my entire family. Able to retire myself from the military, retire my wife from nursing, retire my kids, retired. I joke around, I said the whole house is retired. The cat, the bird, the dog, everyone's retired, right? So I count it a blessing to be a part of Fortune High-Tech Marketing. Hey, my day, again, is a pretty high-impact day. I like to say the team that we have, I call it Team Excellence. It's a team-building team. And this team is composed of some of the most anointed and powerful team leaders in the entire network marketing industry. What's so powerful about Fortune High-Tech, my wife said we will excel into our fortune, right? And what she meant by that is this. In the other company, whenever one of my customers had a problem, they'd call me for customer service. But through Fortune High-Tech Marketing, we have name brand tier 1 products. Things that people use and they pay the bill every month and will always want to use, we now get paid for it. And the best news is those companies do their own customer service. And what I love about Fortune so much, Fortune is a team building teams. You think about the services that we use. I mean, everything we offer, I use. I call it a company that deals with your wisdom, your wealth, and your health. It covers the total person. And all I'm asked to do is gather a few customers, just a handful of customers, and then help others do the same. Folks, I call that a powerful opportunity because most of the services, you use them already. That's the good deal. My home phone, my cell phone, my internet, my television. I even take the health nutritional products because I want to be in shape. I want to be buff, my wife said, right? I want to make it happen. Okay. When you talk about business opportunity, Fortune High-Tech Marketing, folks, think about this. I tell a story about my neighbors. They own major businesses for hundreds of thousands of dollars. But here's a business with Fortune High-Tech Marketing. For a minimal cost, right? You get to build a business that'll give you the opportunity to leverage your time, leverage your money, and build residual income for a minimal cost. And watch this, you can build your business, folks, internationally. At this current time, we're in the United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom. Folks, I don't mind getting paid pounds, dollars, or dineros. It all worked for me real well, right? Fortune is a major opportunity for this day and time.